postal ballot campaign of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency for absentee voters of Imphal East District has begun at house to house from today. The DEO DC Imphal East Kumanthim Diana launched the campaign in Porompa DC complex. DC KH Diana said the initiative has been taken following the instructions of ECI and CEO Manipur. Absentee voters, both inside and outside Manipur, can cast vote at home for the first phase polls from 9 to 5 p.m. starting today till April 12, except on April 9 and April 11. The DC added that left out absentee voters can cast vote for the second phase on April 15 at the same time. Altogether, 1,679 voters, including 1,069 senior citizens, 607 persons with disabilities, 3 essential service, will cast votes during the campaign. DC Diana added that 30 polling teams will function in 10 constituencies in Imphal East District.
General Assembly election, the Haukiba home voting through postal ballot, absentee voters, Adugi Suhanda Lok Sabha elections, Adumak Chatagani, Nasigi Oina, Imphal East Ki Oina, Nasidagi Haujagani, Hari Basida, Koina, Yumda, Chatlaga, both Hadabagi facility as Election Commission of India, Amadi CEO Office, Manipur, Magi directives ki matung ina tausabani, Asida Koina, Punna Handak, among the Koina form Yentokcharaga, Koina home voting option is a preserve and Asida Punna Imphal is ki oina 1,679 voters Nasigi facility as of my October.